In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Inspector panel in Wix Studio. Start by opening the Wix editor from your dashboard and loading your site. On the canvas, click the section or element you want to adjust. As soon as you select something, the Inspector panel appears on the right, giving you context-aware controls for exactly what you've clicked. If you're working with a heading or a paragraph, choose Edit Text. This activates on-canvas text editing and reveals text options in the inspector. To speed up copywriting, click Generate Text with AI. You can guide the results by choosing a tone and adding a few keywords, then insert the suggestion and fine-tune it so it matches your brand voice. Keep exploring the inspector on the right. Move through the available options one by one to refine your content and design. Adjust typography like font, size, and weight, and then align the text to fit your layout. Under Layout Controls, use margin and padding to create breathing room. Small spacing tweaks often make a big visual difference, so make changes gradually and watch the live preview as you go. Now, click an image on your page. You'll notice the inspector changes to show image-specific settings. From here, you can replace the image, adjust the crop or focal point, and add alt text to support accessibility and SEO. If you're styling the image, use border, shadow, or corner radius to match your design system. Aim to keep image files optimized so your pages load quickly while still looking sharp. Continue clicking through the options you see in the inspector for your selected element. The panel is designed to be systematic. Content, design, and layout controls appear in logical sections. Make a change, observe the result on the canvas, and iterate until it looks right. If you make a mistake, use Undo, and remember you can always revert or fine-tune later. When everything looks good, publish your changes. Click Publish in the top right to push the updates live. If you'd like a final check before the world sees it, use Preview first to experience the page as a visitor. Once publishing is complete, click Done to wrap up and return to your workspace. A quick tip before we finish. Review your page on different screen sizes. The inspector's layout choices can help elements look consistent across devices, and a quick pass on spacing and alignment often prevents issues on mobile. That's it. You've seen how to select elements, edit text with or without AI, adjust design and layout in the inspector, refine